2023 Ram 1500 Nightshade Edition. Really nice truck, as you guys can see. What we got done on it: converter, wise into a single, then 3.5-inch pipe. Then he bought his own catback system, bolt-on from MAGNAFLOW, part number 19433, right there. There it is, right there. That's the muffler. It bolts on from here, and then it bolts on right there. Or actually, we cut it and then clamp it there, right there, as you guys can see. There it is. And you have to cut right at the muffler for it to fit just right. Then it wides out the back, each side, and then we left the resonators on it, there and there. He didn't want it crazy loud, and we put our signature 5-inch black tips out the back there. And there, there'll be a link for the tips, and there'll be a link for the muffler system if we can find it for you guys. There's the muffler that was on it, right there. That's where it unbolts there. And there's the 2 tips that we cut off right there. So, looks a lot cleaner, a lot nicer, as you guys can see. We'll let you guys hear it in a second. Hope you guys like it. And like always, guys, like, comment, subscribe. And if you guys don't know, we are located in Nashville, Tennessee. It's really clean. For that big of a body muffler, I'm surprised how loud it is. Wow. That's not bad at all. Here's sound decibels. Ram 1500 E-Torque 5.7 Hemi, baby. That sounds so good. I'll let you guys hear it on the inside. Ram 1500 with a MAGNAFLOW bolt-on kit and 5-inch tips, stock resonators. Ram, if you're listening, go to 5-inch tips like these. They look good on these trucks. Sounds beautiful. Enjoy, guys.